Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of deactivate account on the application of Snapchat. You will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Snapchat, and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.